The most important thing to understand about coaching is that it isn't about giving advice or telling someone what to do. It's about helping the person being coached to find their own answers and solutions. Coaching skills for leaders will help to create organizational bench strength, increase retention rates, productivity, and morale. Coaching Skills for Leaders was created with leaders, managers, executives, business owners, supervisors, and team leaders in mind that would like to help disengaged employees re-engage, coach underperforming employees, learn the two primary employee coaching skills, and have effective coaching conversations. Workplace coaching can help to reduce stress and improve communication among employees. Employers who invest in workplace coaching can create a positive and productive work environment that leads to happier and more engaged employees. This course explores the skills necessary for volunteer coaches to gain the confidence to benefit younger leaders with a mix of coaching skills that include diagnostic listening, strategic questioning, gap planning, wisdom sharing, and giving productive feedback. This foundational training serves as a basis for effective leadership. If you're ready for your organization to propel forward in this rapidly changing environment, visit training.arringtoncoaching.com and enroll in Coaching Skills for Leaders today.